Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this I'm going to do the charging speed test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus Realme GT Neo 2 device. This is a test which I'm trying to do after the recent December security patch update from the OnePlus Nord 2. Let's see friends, what will be the charging speed in this device comparing with the Realme UI 3.0 update in the Realme GT Neo 2 with the charging speed. That's what my main intention of making this video, and this is going to be really very interesting friends to compare between these two phones because both phones do have the 65 watt support of fast chargers, so which I'm trying to use the default chargers only in my video for the demonstration. As you can clearly see, friends, slightly focus, and as you can see friends, super dot, and is a OnePlus charger which I'm trying to use exactly. So let's see friends, which phone will be charging what kind of speeds during this process of testing. And one more quick note, and both phones are exactly 1% charge right now. 1% they are having exactly, as you can see friends. And let's see, using with 1%, which phone can actually have what kind of charging speed starting from the 1%. And both phones, there is no SIM cards at this moment, nothing at all. So both phones are in the airplane mode only exactly. And right now I'll try to connect the chargers, and then I'll try to start the stopwatch. I'll try to record for every 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and 100% and 50% charging. In this way we'll be able to find out exactly which phone charges what kind of speed. Again, I'll be back after some time. Right now both phones are connected with the cables, as you can clearly see friends, red color and white color cable. And now I'm going to start this charging test at same time. Both phones should be able to charge exactly at same time, as you can see clearly. Right now they are trying to charge, and you'll be able to see the super dot charger and wrap charge indication as well, which did come in the OnePlus Nord 2 at this moment. And let's check the temperatures. In the beginning it's of 28 and 27, so kind of very close. Let me do disable is always on display. Forgot to disable always on display. Sorry for this kind of trouble here. Always on display is disabled, and temperatures 28 and 28. Kind of very same regarding the temperatures. And I can be back after 10 minutes of continuously charging these both phones. I can clearly see super dot charger. So right now we're getting exactly close to 10 minutes of time, and 10 minutes let's check out the temperatures. What is both phones? 34 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius. Little bit higher in the Realme GT Neo 2, little bit 34.8, but on the back side 34.6, 34.4, on the back side 34 degrees and 35 degrees Celsius. So 35 on the Realme GT Neo 2 and 34 on the OnePlus Nord 2. Slightly high temperatures in the Realme GT Neo 2. Let's see friends, exactly 10 minutes later what will be the battery percentage between these both phones. And here we go. 10 minutes exactly, yes, 39% and 48%. Wow, 39 and 48% friends, that's very fast. And temperature is of 34 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius. As you can clearly see friends, with the temperature slightly 1 degree higher in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Overall there's a difference of close to 9% difference is there between these both phones in terms of the charging speed. The OnePlus Nord 2 can charge 50% in 10 minutes of time as well. 10 minutes 30 seconds, that's very fast. In 10 minutes the phone did take to charge 50% of the battery capacity. That's pretty good. And Realme GT Neo 2 gonna take slightly more time as well, definitely. So the phone has got 5000 mAh of battery, right? So that's kind of another case. But this phone has got 4500 mAh of battery capacity only. 4500 versus 5000. It's really a difference. But let's see what's going to happen with the Realme GT Neo 2. How quick the phone can actually charge the 50%. So again, we'll be back after some time. So right now, as you can see, it's getting close to 20 minutes of time exactly, and battery charger to 70% and 81% in the OnePlus Nord 2. 70 and 81% in exactly 20 minutes of time. Let me write down the readings. 70 and 81%. The temperature slightly kind of increased higher in the Realme GT Neo 2, I think, a little bit 35.8 and 34.4, 33. So low temperatures are maintaining in the OnePlus Nord 2, not bad. In the Realme GT Neo 2, it's slightly kind of increased, but not much. 35 degrees Celsius. Overall, the Realme GT Neo 2 is having at this moment. As you can see friends clearly, 34 degrees and 35 degrees Celsius with the temperatures wise. Let me need to write down the readings. So 34 degrees and 35 degrees. Again, I'll be back after 30 minutes of time. Let's see in the 30 minutes which phone will be charging faster. But till now, so there is a difference of, I think, 11% difference is there between these both phones. Before 9%, now 11%. Let's see friends, which phone gonna charge faster and 100%. Can the OnePlus Nord 2, can it do it within 30 minutes of time or not? The 84% only the OnePlus Nord 2 reached, 73%. And I can be back after some time. Right now, as you can see, friends, it's exactly 29 minutes and phone charger to 100% in the OnePlus Nord 2. Yes, 100%. The Realme GT Neo 2 is exactly kind of close to 92% at this moment. As you can see, friends, 29 minutes of charging continuously. And 29 minutes only the OnePlus Nord 2 took to charge complete 100%. I mean, still it's taking quite some time as well. Still the indication showing charging. So there's no symbol indication like charged. So it will take some time to show the charging indication as well. But anyway, exactly 30 minutes we'll try to check the temperatures, what 32 degrees Celsius in the OnePlus Nord 2. And Realme GT Neo 2 did charge up to maybe 93, I guess, because 30 minutes 93. Let's check. So 93, as you can see, 93% the phone got charged in 30 minutes of time. Temperature 34 degrees Celsius, I guess, 34 degrees. So still the temperature remaining slightly kind of higher, 34 degree Celsius, which is present in this device. So I will be back after some time when phone gets close to 100%. So maybe it might take kind of close to, I think, 34 minutes or 35 minutes of time, 36 minutes. Somewhere around this time only the Realme GT Neo 2 will get charged. Anyway, the OnePlus Nord 2 did an excellent job in charging complete, 100%. Let me to calculate the speed if possible, how much milliamperes. So 4500 milliamperes divided by time 29 minutes. So per every minute 155 milliamperes is charging. The speed in the OnePlus Nord 2. That's pretty fast, as you can see friends clearly. So still it's showing the charging indication. So it's going to take some time as well, as I said, to show the charged. And this sign as well, still sign is there. But after some time the sign will disappear after some time. And I can be back friends after some time. Let's see what is the charging, 94%. It's going to charge slightly slow at the end. After 90% it takes a lot of time to charge 100%. And I will be back after some time. Just check what is going on with the both phones regarding the temperatures. So I think temperatures, it will cool down, and this also will cool down gradually. Again, I'll be back after some time. So right now it's been close to 35 minutes of time, and the OnePlus Nord 2 charged completely 100%, and there is no charging indication, nothing at all. So we got the indication saying charged as well. Around 33 minutes of time it took in the OnePlus Nord 2, but right now it's 36 minutes of time. The Realme GT Neo 2 charged about 98%. As you can see, when it's charging slightly kind of slow, but let's see how long the phone gonna take. Usually before the update after the Realme UI 3.0, the phone used to charge kind of close to 36 minutes only, but now it might take slightly more time than usual. So 98%. I can be back friends when the phone gets close to 100% in the Realme GT Neo 2 after some time. So let's see how long the phone gonna take to charge. The final friends, the Realme GT Neo 2 charged completely to 100%, and the symbol, as you can see, completely stopped charging as well. So overall, this is the final time in the Realme GT Neo 2 took to charge complete 100%. 39 minutes and 33 minutes of time. As you can clearly see friends, if you try to calculate overall, so milliamperes per minute of the calculation, let me do the math. 4500 divided by 33 minutes of time, that's the final time, right? So 136 milliamperes per minute in the OnePlus Nord 2. And let's see what is happening in this one. 136 in the OnePlus Nord 2, 136, and this one 39 minutes. So 128 milliamperes in the Realme GT Neo 2. As you can see, 136 milliamperes versus 128. So usually it takes about kind of close to 38 minutes, 37 minutes sometimes. But after the Realme UI 3.0 update, this is the situation. That's it friends, thank you for watching. Set up more updates, and there's a quick comparison between these both phones regarding the charging speed. And meanwhile, signing off friends, in case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.